So hi guys, in today's video we will be making a project with calcium carbide, that's CaC2. Basically we'll be making a powerful gas torch using it. So let's start the video. So here we have a test tube with a bit of water in it, and now we'll be checking the reaction of calcium carbide in it. It's an exothermic reaction which gives out acetylene gas which is highly flammable. So as you can see, the reaction has started and it's giving out acetylene gas. So to check if it's flammable or not, I will be putting a matchstick on it so that if it catches fire it would be flammable. As you can see, it catched fire, so it's flammable.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands.
And so now we'll be adding the calcium chloride to the bottle for the experiment. We'll be doing is we'll be adding it to the bottle and adding water to it, and the gas will be using that gas in the gas torch. So here now we'll be adding the saline pipe to this hole so that the gas which would be formed will be passing from the saline pipe, and the needle will be giving it forcefully outside, so that would be the gas torch. So I've put the saline pipe inside the hole, and now I'll be just I'll just add glue to the all sides of the pipe so that it sticks perfectly and there would be no escape of any gas from the bottle. Now we will fill the bottle with water so the reaction starts.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Now we will be igniting the needle so that it catches fires. We can also use the adjuster which is present in the saline pipe set to adjust the force of the air to increase or decrease the fire.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create us. turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love